Here is how to make a paper airplane. All you need for this is paper. So to make your paper airplane, you're going to need to fold your paper in half, hot dog style. And crease it, that way you have a nice line in the middle of the page. You're then going to take the top corner and fold it until the edge lines up with your middle crease and fold it down. You'll do the same with the other side, fold it down. Here's the tricky part. You're going to take this outside corner that you just made, and you're also going to fold that to the center line. Again, on the other side, you take the outside corner that you just made, fold that corner to the center line. Now you have something that kind of looks like an airplane. You're going to flip your paper over, and you're going to fold it up like this. So now on either side, it looks like this. Fold down your wings on each side, and there you have it, a paper airplane. This is just one way to make a paper airplane. If you find any better YouTube video or instructions online to make your own paper airplane, you should go for it and see if it works. It ran into a wall.